Output device. Output device work is to receive the data from a computer system. For which purpose? For display and physical production and etc. Okay. So in the previous video, I already explained that what is input device, right? Input device will enter the data and convert human language to machine language, and this machine language transferred to the CPU, that means processor will process these data and then send to the output device. Output device work to receive that data, whatever it will get from the processor, and then afterwards it will display it, right? It will display it. So output device work is convert digital information means what? Machine language convert to the human language, otherwise human understandable form. Convert machine language or binary form to human language. This is the work of output device. Receive the data and convert machine language to human understandable language, right? Examples: monitor, printer, braille monitor, projector, 3D printer, speaker, headphone. Always remember that output device, out, through the name also you can add out, then put. Out means outside. From the inside what we'll do? From the inside we'll take out in the outside. This is called output device. Just like what is the work of printer? You have a soft copy, this is called PDF, right? And this PDF, it is available in the computer system. You know that PDF form, that means it is the soft copy, right? And this soft copy, if you want to print it, so that times what we'll do? Through the printer only we can take out this soft copy to hard copy, right? So that means what here we are doing? Convert soft copy to hard copy, right? So in the physical production, so this soft copy inside of the system, hard copy when it will take out, so then it's available in the physical environment, right? Monitor, it will display. Headphone, through the headphone you can listen the music. Speaker, here also you can listen the music or voice. Now 3D printer, print it in the actual looking any object. Now projector, through this projector you can watch the movie, otherwise you can show your presentation, that is also can do it. Braille monitor, for blind people, they can read it through this device. So this is the output device. Input device is what? From the output you are sending to the inside of the computer system, so that is why it is input device. Output device, from the inside whatever it is available, and you will now take out to the outside. So this is called output device.